Hello and welcome to Jacklit Educational Channel. Those who are new, please subscribe to my channel. In this lesson, we will discuss about important dates and themes related to environmental science. The first thing is World Wildlife Day. This is celebrated on 3rd March every year, and in this year the theme is Sustaining All Life on Earth. So please remember, it's Sustaining All Life on Earth. So on 20th December 2013, UNGA proclaimed that 3rd March, which is the date for the signature for CITES, that is Convention on International Trade in Endangered Species of Wild Flora and Fauna, should be celebrated as World Wildlife Day. So this is celebrated to raise awareness of the world's wild animal and plants. So once again I repeat, the theme for this year is Sustaining All Life on Earth. Next is World Forest Day. So it is celebrated on 21st March every year. So it is also known as International Day of Forest. And this year the theme for International Day of Forest or Forest Day is Forest and Biodiversity. So please remember, the theme is Forest and Biodiversity. This is celebrated since 2012 to raise the awareness of the importance of all types of forests. Next is World Water Day. So this is celebrated every year on 22nd March. So this year in 2020, the theme for the World Water Day is Water and Climate Change. And this shows how these two issues are inextricably linked. So these are interlinked between them, that water and climate change. So this is the theme for 2020. In the light of the growing coronavirus pandemic, the 2020 World Water Day campaign also promoted messages around hand washing and hygiene. The next important date related to environmental science is World Meteorological Day. So this is celebrated every year on 23rd March. So first of all, why it is celebrated on 23rd March? Because on 23rd March 1950, the World Meteorological Organization came into existence. And in the year 2020, the theme is Climate and Water for World Meteorological Day. And the headquarters for World Meteorological Organization is Geneva, Switzerland. So it is important for net point of view. Next is Earth Hour. So it is also important because it is celebrated every year towards the end of the March. So this Earth Hour is a worldwide movement organized by the Worldwide Fund for Nature. And this year it was celebrated on 28th of March. So this is important and we should know why this Earth Hour is celebrated. So this was first started in the year 2007 in Sydney, Australia as a lights off event. So this event is held annually encouraging individuals, communities and business to turn off non-essential electric lights. So all the non-essential electric lights are turned off for 1 hour from 8:30 to 9:30 p.m. So on a specific date was the end of March. So this year it was on 28th March, as I said earlier. It's a symbol of commitment to the planet. So next is the Earth Day. So Earth Day is celebrated on April 22nd, that is today's date. And this year the theme is Climate Action. So please remember, the theme is Climate Action for the year 2020. So on April 22nd, 1970, 20 million Americans took to the streets, parks and auditoriums to demonstrate for a healthy and sustainable environment. So it was a massive rally, and this year 2020 marks the 50th year of the Earth Day. Next, moving on to the International Day for Biological Diversity. So it is celebrated every year on 22nd May, and this year's theme is Our Solutions Are in Nature. So the theme is Our Solutions Are in Nature. So this day, that is International Day for Biological Diversity, is also called as World Biodiversity Day, and it is a United Nations sanctioned international day for the promotion of biodiversity issues. So please remember. Next is World Environment Day. So this is celebrated every year on 5th of June. So it began in 1974 and now it is celebrated in more than 100 countries. So it is also known as People's Day to show their care and support for the earth and their environment. So this year's theme will be on biodiversity in the year 2020, but till now it is not yet revealed. So UNEP announced that Colombia will be hosting this year's World Environment Day in partnership with Germany. So the main focus will be on biodiversity. Next is World Ozone Day. So it is celebrated every year on 16th of September. So since 1995, it is celebrated as International Ozone Day, and it is celebrated every year to spread awareness among people about the depletion of ozone layer and search possible solutions to preserve it. So it is celebrated on 16th September. So let's see more about the fact. The history of Ozone Day started from 16 September 1987. So in this year, this date, Montreal Protocol was signed to preserve the ozone layer, and in 2018, according to a scientific report, it showed that the ozone layer has recovered at the rate of 1 to 3% per decade since 2000. So at the present rate, the northern hemisphere and the mid-latitude will be completely healed by 2030 and southern and polar region by 2050 and 60 respectively. Other important days related to environmental science are World Migratory Bird Day, that is second Saturday of every May is celebrated. World No Tobacco Day is celebrated on 31st May. World Oceans Day on 8th June. World Population Day on 11th July. World Toilet Day on 19th November. And World Soil Day is celebrated on 5th December every year. So that's all for today's lesson. Follow me for further updates. Do subscribe my channel to get all the notifications.
Finishes off in style, a magnificent strike into the crowd. India lift the World Cup.